This is the D-Link DWR M930DS. The DS here stands for Dual SIM. In addition to being a fixed network broadband router, it supports dual SIM card, meaning that you can actually have two ISP SIM cards plugged into the router, and that gives it triple fail-safe internet connection, where if the one fails, you have got the SIM1 or SIM2 for a backup for your internet use. So let's take a look at this router as we unbox and set it up for use. These are the items in box. At the front of the router, you can see the 4 high-gain Wi-Fi antennas, and it has got LED indicators for the following: from left to right, the power, the internet, the LAN ports, the LTE signal, the Wi-Fi LED, and finally the WPS LED. Let's take a look at the back of the router. At the back of the router, you can see the following slots or buttons. From left to right, that's where you put the SIM cards, the nano dual SIM slots, followed by the LAN ports 1, 2 and 3 with the WAN port designated as LAN port number 3, followed by the reset pinhole button and the WPS button. Then you have got the power connector and the power button. Next, let's set up the router for use. You'll insert the SIM card into the SIM card slot at the back. So we have got the SIM card over here. This is a nano SIM card, and we will insert it in this orientation into SIM card slot A. It is spring loaded. We'll connect the power adapter to the wall socket and plug the other end into the power connector. Let's power on the router by pressing on the power button. While the router is powering up, we will plug in the LAN cable from our modem into the WAN port. So the WAN port is over here. Next, we're going to connect our mobile phone to the network. So it has found our D-Link network, which is the D-Link 11A0 network. That is the default SSID for this router, which can be found on the label at the bottom of the router. For convenience, we'll place the label over here. So let's select that network. Key in the Wi-Fi password. You are connected. Let's do a Google search for D-Link DWR M930DS. So you're able to surf the internet by doing a search. Likewise, let's tap for the weather information. There, our weather is updated. Next, we will try the internet failover protection, and we are going to unplug the LAN cable. So the LAN cable has been unplugged. Let's try a YouTube video. So we are able to play a YouTube video using the LTE network. And this is the internet failover protection that this router offers. So check out the D-Link DWR M930DS Dual SIM 4G LTE Router.